Today we're going to fix this iPhone 11. I suspect that it doesn't have a good connection between the A and B board. So I'm checking the voltage now to see what it draws. And it looks like it wants to boot, but it's missing some lights. I'm also checking for shorts to see if there's a line short. That means that there's a capacitor that is going to ground, and we don't want it. And when I measure it now, I don't hear a beep, and there's a good value. So it's probably the A and B board that's disconnected. What you see here is the heating plate. I need around 170 Celsius. You can see that on the left. Now we're separating it. We're now ready to clean the pads, get the old solder off the board, and after that we clean it with alcohol to get rid of any fats or dirt. It's now ready for the heat to transfer the paste into balls. And it's ready. We can now solder the boards back together, and hopefully that's it. And then we can get the data. And it's booting, so that's good. That's really good. Alright, thank you, and maybe till the next one.